There, put the Hershey Kiss in there.
Deliver it to someone.
Tracy! Where's that? Deliver it to Paul.
Deliver it to your dad.
Checking out
He's
Paul's
sitting
train
right
in
there.
Plasticville. These are all from Paul's plastic houses are all from Paul's childhood and he's got a train. Alright. Get it rolling, Will.
Well, stop a sec. Stop.
Get off the track.
Boxcar's off the track.
Oh.
Derail.
Derail.
I love the lights on the car.
The car's going to be like...
They flash.
It's
You're
so
starting
cute.
The car's going to be about to go off the track. Steady. Tune in.
That should work.
Oh.
Look, back up. Put your gun back up.
It's a right.
I'm going to go around here. Somebody got disconnected.
Oh, yeah.
Excuse me a sec.
Red.
I got it.
Hold it a sec.
Plus it is photo.
No, do you want to bring it around?
No, because
Oh, that's the control wheel?
Yeah.
Tell me how it works.
I took the reverse off.
This is the whistle.
Okay.
Can I get the whistle for the video? Come on.
Well, when it gets going again, yeah, of course. I'm letting Will explain.
Okay, try it.
Try it.
Try it.
Careful, buddy.
All right, so the
Get ready?
yep. If you faster, it goes off the track.
Yeah.
Yes, I'll have another one. Thank you. Why not? Anderson, you like the train? All right.
Okay, it's fine. I will, okay? Okay. Wait, brother. Open the boxcar. No. We're sending the Hershey's to you. Okay.
There's a Hershey Kiss in there?
No, I'm good to him, okay? Hershey Kiss. See it? Close the boxcar or open it. Open it. Keep it open. Open it.
Anderson, wait until. All right. Pretty cool, huh, Josh? All right, Josh, blow the whistle. Very cool. Very cool. Now I'm getting another bloody. That's a good mix with the tequila. Derail.
Derail.
Turn it to off. Turn it to off.
Derail.
All right, we'll fix it up.
Okay, let's see.